Good morning. It's Tuesday, December 3rd. We have the 5 males here. They are 2 weeks old, so they're beginning to open their eyes. Well, let's check all 5 of them out. Let's start with this guy. All right. And he's kind of like a reddish fawn color. Got some gray in his face. It looks like it's going to be like the highlights of like a tri would be. Like our boy Gunner. They're going to be like some tri markings. But it's going to be gray with the white. But he is kind of like a red. Champagne-y color. Looks pretty cool. Next one. Same thing with this dude. Has the gray in and around the face. Here's a slight different shade than the one we just saw. And we got this guy. He has a little darker gray in and around his face. Good square mug on him. No pointed stuff. Thick head, thick muzzle, thick bone, big rib cages. And this one right here is a blue tri. I believe his eyes have started to creep open. All right, next blue tri. This time next week, they'll be standing up with their eyes open. Yeah, and this is, again, good square mug, good stock on them. Clean bites, no pointed stuff. Good tight skin, thick bone on them. And they're a really great looking bunch. But, you know, let me know your thoughts.